What's up, y'all? So on this part here, I've already applied my primer and we're getting ready to match my foundation to go ahead and set my face. Shout out to Makeup by Mocha. She was an amazing teacher, very patient, and she was very persistent on making sure that I understood the actual technique of drawing an eyebrow and just creating a full face. She didn't just say, like, okay, you got it, let's keep moving. No, she made me erase that eyebrow 40 times and redo it. So let's just start off by saying I already know this is not my color, okay? I went to the class with my products and we used her products to teach the class. That's it. I know this color is brighter than my actual skin color. So for this concealer for your eyebrows, you want to use the color closest to your color on the top and the color lighter than your natural color on the bottom of the brow. This new technique here was super fun. Learning that I didn't need to go like super messy to try to get that smoky eye effect with my shadow. She taught me that to kind of stay in the corners of my eyes and to not go as far out to my brow because I still want that pop look. And this was perfect. I learned that less is really best. Also, when you're applying your shadows, you want to dust off that excess shadow off your brush. Y'all, that wing ain't nothing to play with, and it's sickening. It's absolutely a killer. Like, the wing is always a go-to look. That was super hard for me, not only in the class, but just period. That's just hard because it's like, oh my goodness, you mess up one little thing and boom, it's a mess up there. But do you see how perfect that is? She taught me that it was a three-step process. You go from the like end of your eyebrow bone or the end of the eyebrow wing and then bring it in with the pencil. So you want to trace it with a pencil first, like a eyebrow pencil that you would use to line your eyebrows or your lips. You want to trace that first. One, go over the eyelid. Two, and then bring it in with the pen liner. Clean it up with the liner. You see that? Yeah, period. I did that. So she did one side and I did the other. Period. You see that? Like, so I'm spraying some setting spray. And that's going to set the makeup all together. So if I'm not mistaken, this is another primer or a moisturizer, but I know I use both a moisturizer and a primer, okay? So we're just applying more of that so that we can have a smooth application and your face will last all day. I'm not even sure how, but she literally put the lash on my eye in 2 seconds. Like, not even because I sped it up, y'all. Literally how she placed it on my eye, that's how fast it went on there. If y'all could see how slow I struggled with putting this lash on, you guys. So normally I would use Maybelline in the color 340. But today we're using NARS in the name Makayo, I believe. I'll try to find it and put it in the description box. Another technique that I absolutely love was that she told me to not apply the foundation directly under my eyes. So it was kind of like saving that placement for concealer only, and everything will kind of blend in and won't get overpowered. It's also important to go back in with a damp sponge just to make sure that you've buffed out all the harsh lines in the foundation. And nothing should look like it's like still in a clumpy area. Everything should just be pretty much smooth. So she gave me some intel on a few new concealers that I can start using. Not as far as color, but product names and brands. So I know that this color is brighter than me. But now I know which products to get and which brand to use, but in my color. So I just want to keep reinforcing that I know that the color is bright, because a lot of people, are going to say that at the end. Like, oh my God, it's too bright. Like, this was a class, and now I can go home and do my homework with my stuff. You get it? Got it. So I know it looks like we've skipped a lot of steps at this point, but all we did was get some setting powder and place it where my concealer was, and also contour on my cheeks and my nose. I learned that the placement of my eyeshadows being in the corners of my eyes helped me kind of rear the narrow nose that I was looking for, which was absolutely perfect because I love a snatched look. And the same thing with my contour on my cheekbones. I didn't have to go as far out as I usually do. I just went exactly where you see the dark spot on my side. That's where you're going to contour. I think this is another favorite part of mine too, kind of brushing away the setting powder. I think that's my favorite part because the setting powder gives it like a orangey, sitting, like matte type of look to me. So y'all, I finally know what to do with bronzer. I had some bronzer and I never knew what to do with it, but it's almost like a blush, but it's in like a brown or gold type of look. And I love this brand here about Juvia's Place. So I think instead of a pink blush, I'm always going for that natural, melanin type of look. And we even still went back for a pink hint. But baby, that bronzer, that's my best friend. So this part here isn't really necessary, but it's just something I see a lot of people do, and I just love it. It's like makes your cheekbone more defined, your contour more defined, but it's really like a reverse method that you really don't have to do. So in this moment, I think I remember telling her that I was just trying to learn a few things on how to make my lips look more full and how to just do certain things that I already knew how to do, but just tighten them up. So she was perfect. She was absolutely perfect. She was the best teacher for it. She understood that there were certain things that I needed to work on, but I wasn't a newbie at this. Like, she could tell. And that's what made it all better, that we were just kind of sharpening up my skills that I already knew how to do. A lot of people always ask me that when they heard that I was taking a class. They were like, why you're taking a class? You already know how to do your makeup. Yeah, but there's always someone that knows how to do it better, and they could always teach you something. And I'm down to learn, especially something like this. I love doing my makeup. Like, I was so nervous on the way there too, like so excited and nervous, because it's like I just wanted to feel like a new student. I didn't want to go in there like I knew how to do this and that. I wanted her to teach me everything she knew, because I knew she knew something I didn't. Everybody texting me like, y'all wait, I'm coming home, y'all. I'm coming.
What happened?
They texting me. They all like, you ready? You done? Y'all, the look was given. The lips was given. The nose is given. It's not even done yet, and it's already snatched. Like, period. Stop playing with Mocha. Stop playing with me. If you're watching this video, like this video right now if you haven't liked it already. If you're watching my channel, subscribe so you can keep getting more updates. Period. You see this look. You already see. Stop playing. One thing about a black eyeliner, it's gonna make your eyes pop. So when dusting away the setting powder, you don't want to wipe it. She was very adamant on not wiping it. You want to give it a slight tilt, so it's slanted where it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to go down all messing up your blush and covering it up. It's supposed to go exactly where you placed it, baby, okay? Pay attention to the structure and the technique of where you're angling it. It's me talking junk. And this right here is totally optional, putting a little bit of color under the eyes to make it pop. And this is because I have colored hair, so it definitely made a big difference. But I feel like the overall goal is to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. What do y'all rate this look? Give it a 1 out of 10. I give it a 10 because it's flawless. It's flawless. Like, disregard the fact that it's a little bit brighter than my neck. Let's just really look at the details of this face. This is a bomb face. Like, if you don't think so, you're just a hater at this point. You're just a hater.
Shawty, I'ma only tell you this once, you the illest. Master that I know. And for your love, then I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. Master that I know. You got spark, you got spark, you got something all the girls want.